Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. Now friends, we have recently created a free Telegram channel where we'll be sharing stock market information and other artifacts which will certainly help you improve your financial knowledge and also your awareness about the markets. If you want to go ahead and join the groups, please go ahead and click on the link provided in the pinned comment and also in the description of the video. Now in this video, we'll be talking about heavily battered small cap, which is down more than 60% from its 52-week high, and where Mohnish Pabrai has bought 2 crores 52 lakhs 99,159 shares. Now this he has acquired during the last quarter, and his stake in the company now stands at 4.11% as per the latest shareholding pattern. This is up 2.71% from the previous quarter. Please watch this video to know more about this company. Now the company in question is Edelweiss Financial Services Limited, which is available at Rs 57.50 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is EDELWEISS. Now Edelweiss Financial Services Limited engages in the provision of capital markets, asset management services, commodities, life insurance and treasury functions. It operates through the following segments, which are agency business, capital-based business and insurance business. The company was founded by Rashesh Chandrakant Shah and Venkatachalam Arakani Ramaswamy on November 21, 1995 and is headquartered in Mumbai, India. Now looking at the 1-year chart, this company got hammered during the COVID period, but of late it has been trying a recovery. The company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 5,376.11 crores. The EPS and price to earnings ratio are not applicable here as the company is currently not making any profits. The book value of 77.13 translates into a price to book ratio of 0.75, which is cheap. Now the major concern for this company is the very high debt to equity of 5.9459, whereas the return on equity is negative as the company is currently into losses. The dividend yield stands at 2.43%, which is surprising, whereas the promoter holding of 32.89% is pledged to the tune of 18.91%. Now friends, there has been a lot of adverse news flow related to this company for the last 1 year. It might be in our best interest to remain a bit careful on this stock. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. Also, please go ahead and join our free Telegram channel, the link for which is present in the pinned comment and also in the description of the video. This will definitely be enriching towards your network.